Hi, this is Rajouri Garden from Nirmal Stickers Labels along with my company MD Shri Subhash Bhandari.
Hi.
Now let's talk about Nirmal Stickers Labels.
We would like to introduce ourselves as one of the largest manufacturers of self-adhesive labels. We produce labels on the latest high-speed automatic imported Japanese machine, which give the perfections of quality and finest color results. Our manufacturing capacity is over 10 million labels per day. We manufacture self-adhesive stickers and product labels, computer labels in all sizes, barcode labels, tags and thermal ribbons, hologram, hot stamping foil in multicolors and holographics, computer cut vinyl, reflective stickers and digital printing signatures, tattoos, transfer labels, tones polycarbonate decorations labels, anodized metal labels, poster, calendar, catalog, brochures, cardboard boxes and offset printers. Labels can be printed on chromo art paper, multi-coated paper, imported volume paper, colored paper, fluorescent paper, gold and silver paper, polyester foil, or P.v.c film of any desired shape of size can be supplied in sheets of roll from as per your requirements. These labels serve as the best solution to give your product a most beautiful finishing touch.